I was deeply disturbed with the gender data that I saw emanating from India. In terms of women's economic participation, we're close to the bottom out of 146 countries in terms of the Global Gender Gap Index. That's the reason why Aspire for Her was born, to unleash the true potential of women in our country. Today we have built 23 communities. We have crossed 500,000 of a total community size. In fact, we are touching 600,000 today. We are building communities with girls in colleges and schools. We have communities of emerging professionals, mid-career professionals, senior women leaders. We have communities which are industry specific. There is another special community, and this is not alone. This was a community of women who had lost their primary breadwinners to COVID. Today, all of them are financially independent.
मेरे हस्बैंड बायर मल्टीनेशनल सीड्स कंपनी में जॉब करते थे, तो उनकी कोविड की वजह से उनकी डेथ हो गई। तो ऐसे सिचुएशन में मैं बहुत डिप्रेशन में गई। बट कुछ दिनों के बाद बायर कंपनी में के एचआरस वगैरह है, उन्होंने हमसे कांटेक्ट किया और उनके थ्रू एस्पायर फॉर हर के जो मेंटर है, उन्होंने एक मेंटर असाइन किया। कॉल पे बात होने के बाद उनके मैंने कोई सेशंस अटेंड किए, जैसे ग्रुप सेशंस थे, उससे मुझे इंस्पिरेशन मिला। 10 जनवरी 2020 को मैंने फर्स्ट बैच मैंने स्टार्ट की और आज 3 साल में मैंने 178 स्टूडेंट को पढ़ाया है।
We also have a special community called Entreprenari. We want women not just to be job seekers, but also to be job creators. At the beginning, we help them translate their dreams into reality, build a business model with them, and help them actually launch their businesses. And as the entrepreneurs' needs increase, incubator or accelerator programs which give them opportunities to work with experts, mentors in their specific chosen areas, and we also give them exposure to funding opportunities.
During COVID, it so happened that we were all struggling with the professional life, how to keep my profession alive. And there I happened to see Aspire for Her and Entreprenari. They helped me, mentored me. They in fact introduced me to a few experts where I got guidance. That encouragement was enough for me to move globally.
We realize that there's a huge skill gap in our country in terms of technology talent. So one of our clients, Amazon, came to us very early on and said that they want to build a community of women who are excited about pursuing technology, and that's how our Women in Technology community started. We do not really teach our sportswomen to have sustainable career options after their sporting career is over. What we are trying to do at Her Sport Ki Champion is actually build great careers off the field for these women. We do 2 kinds of outreach programs. One is through colleges and communities, and we work with more than 10,000 colleges across the country to motivate women to enter and stay in the workforce and sow the seeds of financial independence. We have about 600,000 members, mentors and supporters. By 2030, of course, we want to build a community size of 10 million, which is touching 1 crore. While our income has grown, our mindset really hasn't changed. We still have a very long way to go, but the community-based model supports the understanding and the deeper appreciation of the fact that the economy needs to grow.